Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making orange squares. They make an amazing dessert and it's really mouth-watering. So let's begin. For the ingredients, look at the description box below. For the shortbread crust, you'll be requiring a tray with butter paper, lined with butter paper. You'll also require some flour, some salt to taste, some sugar and butter. Add the butter into the mixie. Add the sugar. Then cream the butter and the sugar. We have creamed the sugar and butter. Now we'll add the flour. And also add the salt. Now mix it. The main motive is that all of them get nicely mixed. So it's nicely mixed. So our shortbread crust is ready. So empty the batter into the tray. So now you can give it a little press so that it's evenly spread. So it is evenly spread. Now you can put it in the oven for around 20 to 25 minutes depending upon your oven. The oven is preheated, so I'm putting it in the oven for around 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. While the shortbread crust is getting ready in the oven, we will do our filling, the orange filling. For the filling, you will be requiring some sugar, some flour, orange rind, some orange juice, a pinch of salt and some eggs, 4 eggs. Now you take the sugar and put in the orange rind into the sugar. Mix it with the sugar so that it doesn't get clumpy. Otherwise you'll have a full blob of orange rind in your mouth. So see that it's mixed well with the sugar, and it also gives it a lovely flavor. Now that it's evenly mixed, I'm going to be adding the flour. The flour and a pinch of salt. Just mix the ingredients. The main thing is that you have to get everything mixed well. Whether you use a mixie or you do it by hand, it has to be mixed well. Now that it is mixed, let us beat the eggs. You don't have to overbeat them to get in air into it, because if you beat it too much, it might just rise and fall flat. So just beat it just enough. Yeah, I think this is done. So now you can add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Add in the dry ingredients little by little and give it a stir. Mix it well. Now add the orange juice to it and just give it a stir. So I'm taking it out from the oven. It's ready. 20 minutes have passed. So it's taken out of the oven, and since it's slightly brown at the sides, that means the shortbread is ready. Now, while it's still warm, you can pour the filling, orange filling, into the tray. So I'm going to put it once again into the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven again. So put it into the oven and let it bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Now the orange squares are ready. We're taking it out of the oven. So the orange squares are ready. The test to come to know that it's ready is it shouldn't be wobbly. If it's wobbly, that means it's not done. You'll have to bake it for another 5 to 10 minutes. So this is not wobbly, so it is done. And after it cools, you keep it in the refrigerator for an hour, and then you can cut them into orange squares, into squares.